So could you tell me everything in here real quick?
Yes, I will. Absolutely.
All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Travel after the show.
Can I come in?
Yeah, absolutely. How you doing?
Great. Does this shut?
Open shut. It likes it both ways.
Okay.
It's up to you, man.
Is this you and Daryl's build?
It's Daryl's build.
Daryl's, okay.
Mine's
Awesome.
gonna be next.
Okay, yes ma'am.
But
Awesome.
I wanted to finish this first because
Alright,
I have
sure.
more fun than he does with it. I
Okay.
think.
Awesome.
This is my favorite part of it.
Very nice. I like
The
it.
guy Jim Hughes that did this really did a great job.
Very nice. I like that. Wow.
Cody Faulkner, Jim Hughes, and so many others, man, they really helped make this thing come alive.
Is that a port system right there that
Not
comes up into it, or?
Not intentional, but yeah, they
Okay.
kind of hacked off some of the back there, and the metal frame underneath had a hole in it, so yeah, it kind of ended up being a port.
All right, cool. So could you tell me everything in here real quick?
Yes, I will, absolutely.
All right.
I'm gonna open up the back doors for you.
Yeah, I'd like to see it. Sure. Nice.
I gotta pop the trunk from this
Wow,
way.
you actually have a trunk latch issue.
Yes, yo, yeah.
Okay.
Shook it off.
So what are these platinum 15s?
Yeah, platinum 15s.
Okay.
D1s. Wired it. Everything's wired at 1 ohm.
Okay.
Got this SFB 8K.
Yep.
Got a Dayton DSP. Get ready to replace this. I melted my negative terminal last weekend going to the Illinois show, so get ready to replace it with a Salt 8K.
Is this a 10 or an 8?
8.
Okay.
And then I got a 45C Max underneath the box that you can't see on a 280 brand X.
Right next. Okay. Is this that 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It only plays about 4,000 or 5,000 watts I'm using.
Okay.
So.
Yes, sir. Nice. What is your port tuned to?
32.
30.
And then the car peaks at 42 inside.
Okay.
I've done a 50 at the headrest, a 51 on the windshield, and almost
there
a
you
52
go.
at the gigs.
All right. That's good from the trunk.
Yeah, so it's
yes, sir.
50 certified cars.
All right. Is there any reason what made you do a port here instead of in the front?
It's better for the SPL and stuff. Even though I didn't want it built for SPL, the guys that built the box he mixed it a little, and we cut. That's why I cut the top out to let the music go.
Allow the pressure come out.
Well, the pressure did it. I ended up ripping my quarter panel.
I see the rip repair.
Yeah, and stuff. And
awesome. Thanks for showing me, Daryl.
yeah, I'm glad you guys made it out.
Yes, sir. Is this you and Daryl's build?
It's Daryl's build.
Daryl's, okay,
Mine's
awesome.
gonna be next.
Okay, yes ma'am,
But
awesome.
I wanted to finish this first because I have more fun than he does with it.
Okay, awesome.
This is my favorite part of
Very
it.
nice, I like
The
it.
guy Jim Hughes that did this really did a great job.
Very nice, I like that, wow.
Cody Faulkner, Jim Hughes, and so many others, man, they really helped make this thing come alive.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me, Daryll.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys made it out.
Yes, sir.